going to the beach. Only way to the beach is through the little secret trail. Oi, oi, oi. There's Heineken bottles everywhere. Oi. Don't let me kill myself. Oi. It's a leap of faith. Oi. What the fuck? We want to do walk down there, swim right here. I want to go to those rocks over there.
Oh shit, you want to go to the rocks?
Yeah, all the way. See the waves? Let's do it! Why not? Ooh. Beautiful beach. Why do you need your shoes?
For the rocks.
Oh fuck. We bring the sandals.
That's what's holding up the deck.
Huh?
That's what's holding up the deck.
That's it. Pretty sketchy. Dude, you see that wave? Holy sheep shit, that was so fucking high. Scoot over. Huh?
Shit on my pelican.
What did? Oh, don't say that. I know they're all up in the tree. They're all chilling. Woo! Beautiful beaches. Hi. The water's so nice, even though the sun's going down. Not even cold. Nice and warm. Damn, there's people swimming way the fuck out there. Fuck that, dude. It's a little sketchy. A little sketchy. Very nice, very nice. Oi, 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 oi. Back down the same beach we went. Puerto Rico. You gotta love Puerto Rico. Woo. They got a bunch of bars right here. Woo. Almost got me. You got me good. Got the pack a little bit. It's all good. We're heading over here to these rocks because I want to see the fucking waves crash up against them on the other side. This looks crazy. They got surfers all day. Like I was saying, everybody was saying that the surf is the best out here in Isabela. We're gonna have to run over. Get ready. Let him go. Go. Look out, Nick. Come on, Nick. You saw him waiting. You saw him waiting. Oi, oi. Hey. Nice tattoo. Talk about rude. We're almost there. Huh? It's close. It's closer than it looks. Woo. Nice. They got like all these beach bars all over here. You can grab a drink, come hang out on the beach, party it up. Everybody's just having a good time drinking. Get a pina colada and jump in the water. These guys are just drinking over here and grilling. That's what's up. I wish we were friends with them. Woo. You know you want to party with some Puerto Ricans. We'll party with all the Puerto Ricans. Hey. What'd you say? We're just going down the. Look at that wave. Oh, you almost hit that lady. That's crazy. Grab that guy. Hook him up. Help him out. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. Crazy. Crazy. So nuts. Party Central. I'm ready to go swimming. We'll jump out in there. Go around these people. Bam. Hey. It's like taking up the whole beach. Woo. Smell like puke over here. Dang. Those guys are getting it. They're just playing out here. Dude, that's fucking awesome right there. Beautiful. We're almost there. Hey. That is everywhere.
seguro?
Oi, oi, oi. Oi, that's where we're going right now. We're gonna go check out these fucking waves. They look fucking crazy. Huh? Hella dark. My shit's all black. What are you talking about?
I know, but that's it's blurred.
Ah, I see what you're saying. All right, time to put your. You want to go that way? Okay. I think it's that way, where they were coming from. Nick? Or that way. Okay. I'll just follow him. I think it's that trail.
A little overgrown.
It's a little overgrown.
It was a trail.
Okay. Wait. I need to buy new slippers or flip-flops. These are old. Hopefully you don't lose any traction.
Thai chanclas.
Thai chanclas.
Fuck up on these.
Yeah, you'll fuck your shit up good. Hey. Ow. Over this way. Careful. Not that hard to get up here. The waves are crazy though. The sand sucks. Yeah. You just gotta watch your footing. Yeah, it's all good. Look, it's flat. Look at this wave about to hit right now. Fat ass wave. Watch it. Boom! Hey! Look at these waves, dude. Crazy. It's insane right now.
Way over there.
You want to go over there? See it?
No, I mean for surf wise. Just scoping.
Do you think this shit was underwater at one point? What the That's crazy.
It gets bashed.
Whew. Feel like we're walking on an asteroid. I'll just rock. They're surfing right there. They don't even care about the rocks, dude. They get good swell right there.
Over there.
Damn, those
Hella
waves are
far out,
huge.
though. You gotta swim
I'm so itchy. Watch this wave right here, Nick. Here it comes. Careful. Boom, motherfucker. Oh, here comes the wave. Hit this wave right here. Here you go. Here it comes. You ready? It's gonna hit us. Oi! Crazy. So badass. Here comes another one. Watch one more. Boom, motherfucker. You going fishing? Oh. He's got a tackle box for his phone as well. He's a smart man. Yeah, get a good video, picture. What?
DLC Remnant 2, Awakening King. Oh, yeah!
Of course when we're gone!
We're back!
Of course when we're gone.
Baby. Perfect timing. I didn't even.
Federales, they're out in the water. Cops. Watch this last wave. This is gonna be a good one. Watch. Here it comes. Woo! Good one. Woo! He's gonna hit it. Oy! That's a good one. That was sick. That was fucking cool. There's the beach we were just walking on. Ready, Dick?
Getting a slow-mo wave.
I'm ready to jump in this bitch. What? What's the matter? He's getting a selfie real quick. Sorry guys, excuse my cough. Hello. Excuse me. This place is fucking dope. Can't beat it. Come to Puerto Rico. We're in Isabela, drinking $3 Negro Modelos. Cheers, motherfucker. That's pretty cheap. Boom. And we stumbled across a little beach party. Everybody's hanging out, playing games, and just chilling, playing music, having a good ass time. That guy looks like Liver King with the Santa Claus hat on. He's on vacation. He's tired of all the social media drama. He's like, I use trends, so what? Hey look, there's Santa Claus. He's on break. It's November. Get down on some.
Still got a couple months.
Yeah, he still got a couple months. He's still on vacation. I think mid-November after Thanksgiving, that's when Santa Claus starts taking it serious.
fucking rich. Oh, she's huge. Fuck you. Dude, these hella bitches.
Who's that thick ass bitch right there?
That's the one
He's
that
tripping.
the old white dude.
I know, I remember. He's tripping. These guys got skills right here. He's stacking it, drinking it.
And then I sent him this video.
What video? Oh my god. Jeez. I know, I said that to fucking Eric Barber. Woo. Bam. Party time. Jiminy Christmas. Jiminy Christmas. Oh my god. How's that even fair?
The skinny bro.
Which
She's
one?
probably 16.
I know, right? Watch. She's like, I'm only 15. What? Here in Puerto Rico, they're built differently.
It's a trap.
It's a trap. Every day, all day. Beautiful. The beaches are beautiful. People are beautiful. Everything's beautiful here. Love it. Puerto Rico's awesome. Me and Nick are having a good time. Woo. We're about to jump in the fucking water right now. Singing Killing Me Softly in Spanish. Listen. Your whole life is it. Killing me softly. Where's the case for this thing? Buddy? Isabella's, where's it at? Where's it at, dude? You can't beat $3 beers. Woo. We're gonna go hop in the water. We'll see you guys later. Woo.